In this lesson, we will learn how to open workbooks, how to navigate between them, and how to close them.
The first step, of course, is to open the Microsoft Excel application. We click the Start menu, and if it is not pinned, as it is here, we go in the All Apps, and then on Excel. We click on the Open icon and locate from our desktop by clicking the Browse button and then the desktop icon, the client's XLSX, and open it. We want to open one more file, so click on File, Open, again Browse, and open the Sales XLSX file.
If we hover our mouse above the Excel icon of the taskbar, a small window will appear, containing a small preview of all our open files. We can see two open workbooks right now, the clients.xlsx and the sales.xlsx. To navigate between them, we just have to click on the small preview of the sheet we want to go to.
We can of course achieve the same from the ribbon. We go to the View tab, click on the Switch Windows icon, and switch to the other window, the Clients file.
If we want to close the workbook, we click the X icon of the small preview of the sheet we want to close.
To close the other workbook, we can click on the File tab and then click on Close.
Our screen is currently displaying the Microsoft Excel application only. There aren't any open workbooks. We can create one if we want to. As we've already mentioned, from the File tab, we click on New.
If we want to close Microsoft Excel application as well, all we have to do is click the X icon on the top right part of Excel's window.
Yes, this works the same way as in all other Windows applications.
This wasn't so hard, right? We have learned how to open workbooks, how to close them, and how to switch between them.